I have severe heartburn. It's bad smell. My head is paining. Cannot bear it. I feel I feel pukey.
Friends, do you know that all the symptoms and your teeth issues are related? Yes, these are the symptoms of having severe acidity reflux, and this acidic reflux can harm your teeth. How can acidity damage your teeth? Come, let us have a look at this video.
Subscribe to my channel and get tips and facts related to dental health.
Hello and a very happy morning to all of you. And here you are on my show Monday Mornings with Mansi and my YouTube channel Dr. Mansi Shah. Friends, today we are going to speak on the topic which is related to your stomach and your mouth. Yes, as we all know that all the concerns of your mouth are easily related to the stomach, but the concerns of your stomach, can really they show up in your mouth? Yes, there is a connection. The acidic food that you eat, or because of the food that you eat and the reflux of acid that is formed in your stomach, whatever acid, if it comes out in your mouth, that does cause dental problems. So friends, what is this acidity? So first let us know that normally whenever we eat food, to digest that food, our body produces some acid. And this acid, when it comes up in your digestive tract or in the mouth, then that condition or disease is called as having acidity. Some people suffer from severe acidity, and that condition is known as GERD, that is gastroesophageal reflux disease. So the first cause is the esophageal sphincters, they fall loose. That is, then your food pipe has a door which prevents the acidity from coming out. So whenever this acidity comes up in your food pipe, because of the sphincters which fall loose, it is called as physiological reason. The next thing is overeating or bad eating habits. That is, you delay your timings of eating. You have your lunch at 3 or 4 o'clock, you have your dinner a little late at 10-12 o'clock, and your schedule of eating is quite disturbed. The next is overeating or less eating. Eating of more spicy food, oily food, all these things also lead to acidity. So having a good control on what you eat and how you eat is very much important. Then next is some medications. That is, certain medications do also lead to acidity. Consumption of alcohol, smoking, tea, coffee, wine, that can also lead to acidity. Lack of sleep, undue stress, all these things are also a cause of acidity. Now, how does this acidity affect your teeth? So the first thing is, whenever there is an acid reflux, you start feeling a sour or a bitter taste in your mouth. This is nothing but the acid. This acid causes erosion of the teeth. Erosion is nothing but melting down or smoothing down or demineralization of your first layer of the teeth, that is enamel. There is thinning of this enamel, and post that there is exposure of the dentine. This dentine exposure leads to a lot of sensitivity. As and when this sensitivity increases, it causes pulpal exposure, that is exposure of the nerves and cells of your teeth, the third layer. Now whenever this third layer is exposed, the treatment that you can only opt for is root canal treatment. What are the changes that you can see in your mouth? First is sour taste in your mouth, so your taste sensations have changed. Next is sensitivity. The third is yellowish or darkening of the teeth, there is staining on the teeth. Because of erosion of the teeth, there is decrease in the bite level. That is, if your teeth are occluding at this level, now because of the erosion, there is bite changes that are occurring. Then, because of the erosion, or because of thinning of the enamel layer, there are certain depressions, that what we dentists call it as class 5 cavity. That is nothing but cavities or depressions that are formed in the teeth near your cheek or in your palatal region. This depressions causes food lodgement. The food lodgement causes caries or cavities. Because of this caries and cavities, if they are not taken care of, it can lead to pulpal exposure and root canal treatments, abscess. So, one single thing, the acid, can lead to so much dental problems and issues. And how can we treat them? Taking the care of the cause. Yes, if you treat the cause, that is your acidity, all these issues can easily be solved. Now let us see what is the treatment for this acidity. The first thing is having a good control on your dietary habits. That is eating on right time, avoiding eating before 2 to 3 hours of your sleep. That is, you should have your night meal at around 6 to 7 if you're sleeping at around 10:30, 11. Having good exercise is going to help you. Then having a control on your drinks like sodas, alcohol consumption and also tea and coffee. All this can help your stomach acid to be in control and hence prevents the dental problems. Now, for the dental issues, what are you supposed to do? If you have severe acidity issues, visit your dentist in every 3 to 6 months. With this 3 to 6 months interval, just have a routine checkup. Your dentist, if there is any erosion or class 5 cavities that have been produced, the filling would just take care of it. For sensitivity issues, advisable is use of anti-sensitivity toothpaste. This will take care of your sensitivity. Then for sour taste or bitter taste in your mouth, frequent rinsing with warm water or plain water in that case is advisable. Now, in the case of people having this acidity issues, brushing immediately in the morning after waking up is not recommended. What you are supposed to do, because most of the acid is collected during the night time in your mouth, you should first wake up and just rinse your mouth with plain warm water. Wait for half an hour and then brush your teeth. Because if you brush immediately, the acid has already acted and has made the enamel soft or smooth. And then when you brush, it causes more harm than doing good. So with the plain water, just dilute the acidity, let it come down, the pH, let it be balanced and then you can brush your teeth. Using a good mouthwash can help. Also, visiting your dentist and taking advice for what can be done to prevent the attack of acid on your teeth is going to be of great help. Cleaning in every 6 months is recommended for you because cleaning cleans up the plaque in the calculus. Taking a physician's help, maybe it in a natural way like Ayurvedic or homeopathic treatment, or maybe a MBBS or MD physician can help you out to take care of your this acidic problem. So friends, this was a short and quick video on how acidity and your teeth, our dental issues are related. So if you have any other questions related to your acidity or your dental health, write it in the comment section below and I am here to answer it to you all. And feel free to ask up any other questions or any dental issues here in the comment section below. Please visit my channel Dr. Mansi Shah on YouTube. Do not forget to subscribe. There are n number of videos which I have been posting on every Mondays in English and on Thursdays in Hindi, which are going to give you a great insight to your dental health. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Dr. Mansi Shah. Stay healthy, stay happy and stay out of it.